Okay.
Okay, weather forecasts. Ay, hindi pala siya weather forecast.
Google Maps?
Google Map.
Maps. So, nung first day, we went sa main city. So, hindi siya visible dito sa maps. And then on the second day, ang ginawa natin? Michketa, no?
Michketa.
Which is just slightly above over here. Yeah, this. And umikot lang tayo within the insides of the city.
Nandun ang Michketa.
Ito. You know, Michketa.
Ah, okay.
Then we went to
Go
this
down.
area over here. And then we went sa loob lang ng mga city. And then the very next day, pumunta tayo up above the mountains. We stopped sa Dusheti to check yung mga nakakita natin ng two-piece. And you were taking nice pictures there. May monastery din doon. And then we went to Zin Valley, Ananuri.
Ananuri.
Ang ginawa natin dito?
Ananuri. Ginawa.
Okay.
Diyan nata tayo kumain ng shawarma and burger. Ananuri,
okay. So it's
paragliding, beaches.
Jin Valley is the yung 10 minutes away from Ananuri.
Oo.
Yung view ng swing sa
Yes,
Tikalala.
nag-swing sa Tilala.
And then Ananuri is the place where we ate the shawarma with the local burgers.
Tsaka yung church doon, may church doon, hindi ko nakalimutan
Oh,
ko
tapos
na.
yung uphill na hirap kong umakyat.
Yes.
Ganda ng view doon. Ang ganda
May
ng picture mo
nakatupis
doon.
kasi doon. Kaya maganda.
And
O
then
sige,
tapos,
akyat ka na.
We went higher. Akala natin dito na matatapos.
Oo.
So, we went higher. We went to all these places. I think we ate here sa Godauri. Tapos this is where the place where we saw the mountains. Grabe, this stretch is 1 hour long. And then we went to Godauri. And then up above the mountains, may nag-drama dito kaya napaakyat kami ng mountain. I don't know kung sino, pero hulaan nyo na
Ikaw
lang.
yun, sunga. Nag-silent treatment ka sa amin na Tilala.
Shut up. And then, napag-aakyat natin dito sa Godauri. Okay, skip. There's many things happening there. Pinromote natin yung Bicolalas there. What else? Niregla ka dun. On top of the mountain. Tapos,
Sabi mo pa, tang.
oo, cut. Hindi daw siya niregla. Tapos, okay, stop
Guys
there.
ha,
Medyo,
niregla pa ako. Hindi
Oh.
pa ako menopause.
ang sabi ko, umupo
O,
ka.
paakyat ka ng
Sabi ko, umupo ka sa
12
iso.
kilometers before Russia.
Ikaw ha?
Nandun na kami sa may pinakamataas.
Wrong. So after Godauri, we went straight ahead. And somewhere in here is the panoramic view. And very scary siya, so tripod is not
Oo,
advisable.
hindi siya,
Super
hindi siya,
windy and And okay.
Pero may drone doon. Allowed ang drone doon.
No, you need permit, it says there.
Yeah, I know.
Tapos we went higher and 12 kilometers away is the border to Russia. We went as far as going to Stefatsminda. And yun, that's where the Kazbegi Mountains are and the highest church is. Ano yan? Hindi, I'm not yet done. Wait, madami kang memory. And then sa ano na yun,
Bilisan mo.
saglit, kakain tayo, wait lang. Anong ginawa natin doon? Ano ba ang swerte daw natin, sabi ni Georgie? Why? Ito. Kasi out of all the 5 times na pumunta daw siya, yung mountains are not cloudy. So ang ganda ng view mo doon, ang swerte na nagpipicture. So, and then after nun, 2 to 3 hours tayo nakauwi and 12 tayo nakauwi. Okay, and then the very next day, so north, di ba? We went east to the love city of,
City of Love.
to the city of love, which is in Signagi, over here.
Signagi.
All the way from here, shuk, to here. Where we stopped over dito sa wine region of Kaketi. Medyo
Salar.
nalasin ako dito and we forgot to buy and bring sa Kuwait. Anyway, baka kunin din naman sa immigration, so I think it's fine that we didn't bring it. Anyway, we went to Signagi. It was a very nice and romantic city. Totoo naman. It was made of cobblestones and ano ba? And maganda yung view. Yun lang masasabi ko. And then we went back and that's how we ended our day. And then today's our last day. Uwi na tayo sa Kuwait and I'm not very happy.